Hello everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process on how to log in Quad Work account. It's a very simple process, so follow along. First, open your preferred web browser. You can use any browser you like. At the top of your browser, at the search bar, type in Quad Work Login and hit enter. Make sure you choose or click on the official page. Once you're on the login page, you'll need to enter your credentials. Type in your username, password, and any required PIN. Also, make sure to select your country from available options. For the US and Canada, it's the same option, but if you're in Europe or Latin America, choose accordingly. After filling in all of your information, simply click on the login button. And that's it. Now you are logged into your Quad Work account. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and I will see you on the next video.